After getting massive response to the Back to Village program in Jammu and Kashmir, the government is now starting with the second edition of this program. I am joined by Deputy Commissioner Jammu. Let's talk to her. Madam, what all is now more being done in this second edition?
As an initiative to further improvise the Back to Village program, which started about 5 months back, there is a prime focus on 4 issues. And first and foremost, the effort this time would be to identify ways and means to double farmers' income. And thereafter, as we know that our Panchayati Raj institutions are in place at all the 3 levels. So the effort now is to strengthen them and to ensure that the delivery is better. And then thereafter, the individual beneficiary schemes, how they can be improvised, that is also the focus of this B2V2.
How many panchayats and how many people you are planning to target this time?
All the 305 panchayats of district Jammu will be covered, and during these 6 days, officers from the secretariat, senior officers and district level officers will go there, stay there, spend 2 days and 1 night, and during the duration of these 6 days, all the 305 panchayats would be covered.
This is the second edition. I would like to know about the first edition. Can you share what has improved since then?
The first phase was the first time B2B was conducted was a unique initiative of its kind in our state then, and then that was a stage when we were still getting inputs from the field, and now at B2V2, with all that learning that we have and the data that we have at the back, we have tried to incorporate specific deliverables this time. So that in itself is an improvisation.
During the first phase, I visited Narbal Bala Panchayat, and people there told me that officers although came to them, but they appeared helpless and they said कि हमारे पास funds नहीं है. How this time the government will be managing this thing?
See, the visiting officers who went there or are going to go this time, they have not been given the mandate to announce any funds. The purpose is to go there and find out certain things which is incorporated in the booklet that we will be providing them, and then thereafter there will be provisions made as to how those demands can be incorporated within different schemes, because as such we plan the district budget or we are planning various schemes. So all these inputs that would be gathered from the field would be necessarily made part of the plans thereafter at the panchayat level and at the district level.
This is a step towards empowerment of the panchayats, but recently conducted panchayat elections and the BDC polls, the newly elected BDC chairmen are complaining that they are not being made part and parcel of this whole program. Is this thing happening?
Of course, this is not correct. This all effort is being made to strengthen them and to assist them, facilitate them in institutionalizing their position. So the efforts are on, and it's going to be a process, and I'm sure the results would be visible.
Thank you. So this was DC Jammu who talked to us, and she has made one thing very clear, that efforts are being made to streamline the system and bring in the development. एक चीज़ मैं यहाँ कहना चाहूँगा कि अगर ऐसी चीज़ें विद टाइम होती रहें तो डेफिनेटली जम्मू कश्मीर में ग्रोथ विटनेस की जाएगी आने वाले दिनों में.